David. Hey!
Hello everybody, welcome to the Cooking with David show. This is episode 14, rendition. Today we have a live studio audience with us today.
Please welcome our people we found off the street, our live studio audience.
Alright, thanks for coming everybody. Oh yeah, here. How you guys doing? Alright, first step in every dish, wash your hands. Now, soap doesn't do enough. This is 100% pure cleaning vinegar. Oh, fucking burns. Wow, that's good. Holy shit, that's good. Wow, that's good. This really gets me clean. Now you come in with the soap for the smell, you know? Wow, that burns. That feels so good. So today we'll be crafting gourmet ramen noodle, Ram Shapur style ramen noodles. Ready? Let's cut this baby open. Let's see what we got. That's Maruchan. First thing is first. Take the pot. First, I said first about 3 times now. 8 cups of water here. As we let that come to a boil, we stop and we pray for our fallen soldier. Morgan. You know Morgan. You know Morgan. You know Morgan, everybody.
Well, last time, ramen noodles didn't really go that good. But we're here with Cooking with David, and I'm actually like coming into his show right now because we don't know where he's at. Like, he literally, I think he got kidnapped. But I might be a new host, so like, I might be like in control of like 2 shows, like 2. So you don't know, because who knows? Because if he doesn't come back, it's all mine, and I have 2 shows making some money. Well, this water is actually starting to come to a boil, and we're cooking it again with some bad memories. He's back.
Bonjour, je m'appelle Dickhead. Welcome back to my show. I am Cooking with David. That's my name. So, we got the water boiling. It only took about 45 minutes because, you know, thermodynamics and everything. We have live produce. It's the same. 4 people will be eating today. Therefore, we're putting 4 entire containers of ramen in the pot. Just to add some extra flavor.
You're not messing up my ramen, David.
Hey, this is my show. Now that we've kind of let those sink in there. Kind of let the flavor, you know, envelop. We're going to kind of let this boil a little bit as the noodles come to a hot temperature, loosen up. That's what we want here at the Cooking with the David show. So right now we're cooking these noodles under Pontius Pilate, who actually killed. Thank you, Pontius. They're going to be blessed with my mama. By the way, I am Jewish, and this is my Jewish cooking show, Cooking with David. Thank you for joining us. The stew is a brewing, if you know what I mean. It means the stew is cooking. That's what that means. What we have today is actually a recipe that my mother created back when she was surviving Auschwitz. She survived Auschwitz thanks to the help of the Snoggle Jew. Thank you, Snoggle Jew, who, legend has it, has survived Auschwitz twice. Thank you. That's creamy delicious. Look at those noodles. They're really resonating tonight.
Very rich.
I've never made noodles this good, actually. That's very hot. That's not good. Alright, here's what we're gonna do. So, because my guests are guests, they get the fine plates. They're getting these plates. My plate, it's right here. I'm gonna set mine aside first because I'm not actually getting anything on it. I'm just getting plain ramen noodles, you know, just egg
How about the
noodles.
sauce?
Yeah. That's what I'm getting. But I'm not getting the chicken sauce. That's a noodles. Can you not do that right now? I'm a chef, not a professional artist, okay? Leave me the alone. Here's where we turn the power off. Let it come to a boil. And because of the way that I like to cook things, we're not going to be putting all of these packets in here today. We're only putting...
That's okay. Just put them all.
Oh, where I come from, we like salt a little bit. We're just going to add a little bit of salt. Just a small amount of salt. Sodium really helps the bones, you know? Never. And that's all. That's all for the cooking portion. There's a sneak peek at the newest.
Let me see that.
Thank you. We will see you at the eating portion.